Hey everyone, Sam and I'm back with another unboxing. This is going to be a unboxing of a Canon EOS M50. It's actually the Video Creator Studio bundle. So yeah, let's get into it. I got it from B&H actually. B&H, yeah. Alright, the thing's huge. So we have the receipt right here. Yep. It's actually how much was it? I don't remember, it was on sale. We got it, so there you go. And it's Dare to Dream Video Creator Kit, that's what it's called. So I actually bought this because, well, first it was on sale. I was looking for some cameras, and I bought it because I want to make videos with it, record with it, and I want to basically take pictures and Photoshop stuff. So you open it up first, and you get a nice SanDisk Ultra 32 gig SDHC. There we go. Open it here. I don't even know where you open it up. There you go. So then you get the Rode mic right here. And then you get this bad boy right here. It's the EOS M50 Canon right here. You open up the box here, instructions, pamphlet. Oh my god, that thing is thick. Register your Canon imaging product now. I believe that's a strap for the shoulder. Battery. I believe this is the lens. So the lens right here, it's a 15-45 millimeter. So then you got this, which is the battery charger. Ready. Then the main event. Camera right here. Honestly, thought this would be bigger, which is good. Yeah, so over here. So a good thing about this camera is that right here is a rubber piece that you can actually hold on to. And then back here is the mirrorless right here. Go ahead and flip that. So when you're recording, you can see it. But yeah, that is just the unboxing. I'll have a review when I get to know more about this camera, and make sure to show you guys what I got here. So we got obviously we got the camera right here, we got the body, we got the charger right here for the battery. We got the strap, 15-45 millimeter lens right there. Got the mic right here, the boom stick. Got the pieces that go with it, so you plug it in here. You get the camera right here, and you plug it right on the side. And right there, and I believe you just slide it right on. Yep. Just slide this bad boy right on in here. Tighten that. There you go. Boom, just like that. And then obviously you put the lens right there. So after that, we got 32 gig. And we got the battery right here. Camera goes right in here. Just like that. There you go. Alright, that's the review for the Canon Eos M50 right there with the video creator kit. And hope you guys enjoyed this video.